Hello dear students, welcome to Swami Study Corner. In this video, let us discuss worksheet number 10.em.03.02 under level 1, unit polynomial. And topic discussed is terminology associated with algebraic expressions. First we'll discuss the topic and later we'll solve assignment. The topic is terminology associated with algebraic expressions. First, let us see what is a term. A term of an algebraic expression. A term can be only constant. Only constants like 1, -2, 0, 2 by 3. These are terms. 1 is a term. -2 is a term. 0 is a term. 2 by 3 is a term. Any constant is a term. Any variable x, y, z are also terms. X is a term, y is a term, z is a term, or product of variables. Product of variables are terms. Here we have x and y. X into y is represented as xy. Xy is a term. X square y is a term. XYZ is a term. Y cubed is a term. A term can be product of a constant and a number of variables. For example, phi xy. Here phi is a constant, x and y are variables. Phi xy is a term. 6x square is a term. 2 by 5 uv is a term. So term is nothing but a combination of constant and variables combined with multiplication and division sign, but not addition and subtraction signs. So how do we determine how many terms are there in an algebraic expression? We will identify the parts of the expression separated by plus or minus sign. Suppose we have an algebraic expression 6x square plus 7x minus 5. So here the terms are separated by plus here, and these two terms are separated by minus here. So here we have three terms. 6x square is a term. 7x is a term. Here minus 5 is a term. Term is combined with only multiplication and division. An algebraic expression is a combination of one or more terms combined with addition or subtraction operations. In this expression, we have three terms here: 6x square, 7x, and minus 5. Now let us see what is coefficient. Let us take this algebraic expression 6x square plus 7x minus 5. In this we have 6x square a term. In 6x square term, 6 is coefficient of x square. If we write the given term 6x square as a product of two factors 6 and x square, then one factor is called coefficient of the other factor. 6 is coefficient of x square is coefficient of 6. If we write 6x square as product of two factors 6x into x, then 6x is called coefficient of x. 6x is coefficient of x and x is coefficient of 6x. In general, coefficient has this meaning, but generally we use coefficient for only numerical factor. So in 6x square, if we are asked to find coefficient, generally we say is numeric coefficient. Numeric coefficient is called coefficient in general. So the coefficient of 6x square is 6. Coefficient of 7x is 7. And coefficient of minus 5 is minus 5. So here the coefficients of the algebraic expression 6x square plus 7x minus 5 are 6, 7 and minus 5. Now let us see what are like terms and unlike terms. Like terms and unlike terms. Terms are called like terms if they contain same variable with same exponent. For example, 6x square and 7x square. Here the variable is same, x is here and x is also here, and the exponents are also same, 2 is here and 2 is here. So 6x square and 7x square are like terms because both terms have same variable with same exponent. Then what are unlike terms? The terms which are not like terms are called unlike terms. That means the terms which vary in variable part are called unlike terms. For example, 3x and 4x square. These two are unlike terms because in 3x we have variable x, in 4x also we have variable x, but in 3x we have exponent 1 and in 4x we have exponent 2. So these two terms are not like terms, they are unlike terms because both have same variable but different exponents. What is the use of these like terms? 6x square and 7x square are like terms. When we combine like terms by a plus sign or minus sign, we can simplify them and write as another like term. For example, 6x square plus 7x square is equal to 6 plus 7 into x square. We can take x square as a common factor from both these terms and write it as 6 plus 7 into x square. This becomes 13x square. But in case of unlike terms, we cannot combine them into a single term. See 3x plus 4x square. This cannot be combined into a single term. Now, types of algebraic expressions based on number of terms. If there is only one term in an algebraic expression, it is called monomial. Mono means one. If there are two unlike terms, then that algebraic expression is called binomial. If there are three unlike terms, it is called trinomial. And after three terms, there is no special name. We call it multinomial. If there are more than one unlike terms or more than three unlike terms, we use multinomial. Here, x is a monomial, 7xyz. It is only one term, so this is a monomial. 3x square y, this is a monomial. Here it is 7 plus 4x. We have two terms, 7 and 4x. So this is a binomial. Here x square plus 2y. X square is one term and 2y is a second term. Here we have two unlike terms. So it is a binomial. Here 3x square plus 4x minus 7. We have three unlike terms, so this is a trinomial. Here we have four unlike terms, 9p square minus 11q plus 19r plus t. When there are more than three unlike terms, it can be called as a multinomial. Let us see what is a degree of a term. The sum of all exponents of variables present in a monomial or in a term is called degree of the term. For example, let us take 9x square y cubed. 9x square y cubed. Here we have two variables x and y. The exponent of x is 2 and the exponent of y is 3. The degree of this term 9x square y cubed, the degree of this term is sum of the exponents of the variables. The exponent of x is 2 and the exponent of y is 3. Sum of 2 and 3 is the degree of this term. So the degree of 9x square y cubed is 5. What is the degree of a constant term 7? 7 can be written as 7 into 1. When we use a variable, we can write it as 7x power 0. 1 can be written as x power 0. So the degree of any constant term is 0. Now let us see the degree of an algebraic expression. In an algebraic expression, there is one term or more number of terms. Then what is the degree of an algebraic expression? The highest of the degrees of all the terms of any algebraic expression is called its degree. For example, here we have an expression pq minus 6p square q square minus p square q plus 9. Here we have four terms. Now find out the degree of each term. So for the term pq, the degree is 2. Exponent of p is 1 and exponent of q is 1. So the degree is 2. For this term minus 6p square q square, the degree is 4. Exponent of p is 2 and exponent of q is 2. So degree is 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. In the third term, minus p square q, exponent of p is 2 and exponent of q is 1. So the degree is 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. The degree of this constant term is 0. Here we have degrees 2, 4, 3 and 0. Then what is the highest of these degrees? Highest of these degrees is 4. So this is the highest degree of the terms is the degree of the algebraic expression. So the degree of this expression is 4. Now let us see the actual worksheet. Complete the table. Here some algebraic expressions are given. We have to write how many number of terms are there and what are those terms. First one, 4x square minus 3x plus 7. Here 4x square is one term, minus 3x is another term, plus 7 is another term. Here there are three terms. What are those terms? 4x square minus 3x, then 7. In the second problem, 5x square plus 3xy minus 2y square plus 11. In this we have four terms. 1, 2, 3, 4. So four terms. What are those terms? 5x square, 3xy minus 2y square and 11. Now let us see third expression. Here we have 2x minus 8 minus 6x plus 12. Here we have four number of terms, and the terms are 2x minus 8 minus 6x plus 12. We have to note that this is not a multinomial. Here we have two like terms, 2x minus 6x. These can be combined and can be written as minus 4x. And here minus 8 plus 12. These two like terms can be combined and written as 4. So this algebraic expression becomes minus 4x plus 4. So this is only a binomial. Second question, complete the table. Algebraic expressions are given here, and we have to write coefficients of the terms. Here 12x square. So the coefficient here is 12 minus 17x. So minus 17 is the coefficient plus 29. 29 is the coefficient. The coefficient of the first expression, the coefficients of the first expression are 12 minus 17, 29. Then the second algebraic expression minus 23y square. The coefficient of this term is minus 23. Then 16xy. The coefficient of this term is 16. Then minus 41x square. The coefficient is minus 41. In third algebraic expression, we have 16x cube. The coefficient is 16 minus 8x square. The coefficient is minus 8. Then plus 7x. The coefficient is 7. Then minus 4. So the coefficient is minus 4. This is the third question. We are given with some algebraic expressions and we have to find the like terms. Here we have minus 15y plus 12z minus y plus 9. Here we have variable y, and here also we have variable y with the same exponent 1. So these two are like terms. Minus 15y and minus y. These are the like terms in this algebraic expression. Let us look at second algebraic expression. 3x plus 5z minus 2 plus x plus 3z minus 6. So here 3x and x are like terms. In 3x we have variable x, and in x also variable x with the same exponent 1. So 3x and x are like terms. Then 5z and 3z. 5z, 3z are like terms. These constants minus 2 and minus 6. These are also like terms. Minus 2, minus 6. Now let us take third algebraic expression. 2m plus 3 into n minus 5 plus 6 into n minus 5. So here 3 into n minus 5 and 6 into n minus 5 are like terms. 3 into n minus 5 and 6 into n minus 5. These are like terms. Now fourth question. State whether the algebraic expressions given is monomial, binomial, trinomial or multinomial. First one, y square. Here we have one term. So this is monomial. The second one, 1 plus x plus x square. Here we have three terms, and three terms are unlike terms. So we can count them as three terms. We call it trinomial. Third one, 100, a constant. This is one term. So this is a monomial. Fourth one, p square minus 3pq minus r. Here we have three terms, and all these three terms are unlike terms. So we can count them as three different terms. Three terms. So this is called a trinomial. The last one, fifth one, 7x square minus 2xy plus 9y square minus 11. In this, we have four terms, and all these four terms are unlike terms. So we can count them as four terms. When number of terms is more than 3, we call it a multinomial. Fifth question, write the degree of each of the monomials. Here only monomials are given. We have to write the degree of monomials. First one, 7y. In this, we have only single variable y. The exponent is 1. So the degree is also 1. Second one, minus 11y z square. What are the exponents? Exponent of y is 1. Exponent of z is 2. So what is the degree? Degree is sum of the exponents. So the degree is 1 plus 2, that is 3. Degree of this monomial is 3. Third one, 3mn. Here we have two variables. The exponents are 1 and 1. Exponent of m is 1. Exponent of n is 1. The degree is sum of these exponents. So degree is 1 plus 1, that is 2. Fourth one, x, y square, z square. Here we have three variables. The exponent of x is 1, exponent of y is 2, exponent of z is 2. Then sum of these exponents is 1 plus 2 plus 2, that is 5. So 5 is the degree of this monomial. Fifth one, 4a square b square. Here we have two variables a and b. Exponent of a is 2, exponent of b is also 2. Then sum of these exponents, 2 plus 2, that is 4, is the degree of this monomial for a square b square. Sixth question, find the degree of each algebraic expression. First one, 3x minus 16. Here let us see what are the terms. 3x and minus 16 are the terms. Degree of 3x is 1 and degree of minus 16 is 0. Out of these degrees of the terms, 1 is highest. So degree of this expression, algebraic expression, is 1. Let us take the second one. Xy plus yz. What are the terms here? Xy is one term, yz is another term. The degree of xy is 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. The degree of yz is again 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So we have the degrees of the terms as 2 and 2. So highest is 2. The degree of algebraic expression is 2. Third one, 2y square z plus 9yz minus 7z minus 11x square y square. Here we have 4 terms. The degrees of the terms are, this degree is the degree of this term is 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. The degree of this term is 1 plus 1, 2. The degree of minus 7z is 1. The degree of this term 2 plus 2 is 4. So we have degrees of the terms as 3, 2, 1, 4. 4 is the highest. 4 is the highest degree of the terms here. Highest degree among the degrees of the terms. So the degree of the algebraic expression is 4. Then fourth one, 2y square z plus 10yz. 2y square z plus 10yz. We have two terms here, 2y square z and 10yz. The degree of 2y square z is 2 plus 1, it is 3. The degree of 10yz is 1 plus 1, this is 2. Among these two, the highest one is 3. So the degree of this algebraic expression is 3. Then pq plus p square q minus p square q square. pq plus p square q minus p square q square. Here we have three terms, pq, p square q minus p square q square. The degree of pq is 2. The degree of p square q is 3. The degree of minus p square q square is 4. So 4 is the highest one. So the degree of this algebraic expression is 4. Sixth one, ax square plus bx plus c. Ax square plus bx plus c. In this algebraic expression, we have three terms, ax square, bx, and c. Here we have to observe that we are taking x as variable here, and a, b, c, these are considered as constants. A, B, C are constants. X is variable. So the degree of ax square is 2. The degree of bx is 1. And, and degree of c is 0. Among these degrees, 2, 1, and 0, 2 is highest. So the degree of this algebraic expression ax square plus bx plus c is 2. If we consider a, b, c also as variables, ax square plus bx plus c, if we consider a, b, and c are also variables, then the degree of these terms will be 3, 2, and 1, and 3 is the highest one. So degree of this algebraic expression becomes 3. But this is a general form of an algebraic expression. Here a, b, c are constants. Under such condition, the degree of this algebraic expression is 2. See you in next video.